Hi guys, Dr. Anjana Vada here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And still doing male aesthetics today. We have Jason Lopez. Hi Jason, how are you?
Thanks, Gloria.
You're all right. And Jason is going to be doing your first chemical peel, right?
Yeah.
And his second hair rejuvenation treatment. So Jason is a young guy and one of the very many people that are looking at something called pre-rejuvenation. So already looking after their skin and hair health. So when you're a bit older, you don't have to worry as much. You don't have to do as many treatments. You can just maintain. So tell us a little bit about yourself, Jason.
My name is Jason Lopez. Obviously, I own a business, engineering business, and I work in the personal training industry as well. So I'm either in the gym or on the road, like working, and yeah. So a lot of it is stress related and like. Yeah,
Okay.
That's just busy lifestyle carrying on.
Yes.
Always, yeah.
Okay, and then initially Jason's main concern was stimulating hair growth, especially, you know, a lot of guys start losing hair along the hairline. So I think it's really, really cool that you're starting early. Most men and women only start to notice hair loss once 50% of the hair is already gone. So it doesn't mean that, you know, you are young, or if you think your hair is okay, that you shouldn't consider treatments like that. It's becoming more and more commonplace, like facials, like chemical peels, that people are concentrating on their hair. So, but without further ado, Sheetal is going to start with something called the Mango Bright Peel. It's a really nice starter peel, especially if you haven't had any facial treatments before. Safe and superficial. It's got a mango pulp, orange stem cells, and it is very refreshing and brightening. And then we're going to do a really intense hair rejuvenation today, but different from the last time we used something called hair filler. Today we're going to do PRF, and you guys have watched the channel, you've seen us do PRF before, platelet rich fibrin, as well as using this cool device that is LED already, and infuse a like a peptide formula by Genesis, which is a South Korean brand. And then we're going to do normal LED as well as high frequency. So let's go, Sheetal. It's a lot of stuff.
I'm just going to burn this.
So this is a really, as you can see, the cleanser is already changing. It's called Snow Cleanser. It's also a Genesis cleanser, and it oxygenates the skin whilst cleansing. So you leave it on for a little bit. Does it feel any different? It feels kind of bubbly, eh, on your skin, eh? Yeah. So yeah, it's a bit resurfacing, but the main action is oxygenation. So it's also brightening, hydrating, and like you can see, like, while, you know, when Sheetal touches it, kind of like falls in like a cloud almost. And it's really good if you are prone to breakouts, so to help attack like the anaerobic bacteria. And then after this, you're going to use a normal lactic acid cleanser, yeah. So Sheetal was just telling Jason about the cleanser. It's different from the one you just had on, hey Jason? So it's a bit more tingly.
Yeah.
So it's got glycolic acid. The cleanser, and the next step drops the pH of the skin for the peel. And like I said, the peel we're doing is the Mango Bright Peel. And if you want a bit more detail on that, we did do one with Simone Skosen, a few months ago before she moved to the UK. And we'll put the link up on the screen, and you can just tap on it and it'll take you straight to that video if you'd like. But watch the rest of this video first.
applying the peel now, and we've blocked off some sensitive areas for Jason. This is his first peel, and after a bit of a chat in terms of the sensitive areas, instead of the full 3 minutes, we are only going to do it for a minute. We're going to see how he feels. And when he starts using the skincare, after about 10 days or so, you'll probably start feeling a difference, and then we'll graduate up in terms of the peels and things that we'll be doing on his skin.
As well as the botanical mask. It's called phytocorrective from SkinCeuticals. We really like it. It's nice post injectables. It's really nice. We mix it with microdicin when we do sculpture massage. It's very calming. Sheetal is now disinfecting the hairline with biotin and alcohol. We numb the hairline because that is a sensitive area. That's the area of main concern. We are going to go a bit into the hair as well, but you wouldn't feel it, the same as you would along the hairline. And after this, she's going to use something called scalp peeling. So don't worry, no physical peeling of your scalp. It's just also a bit of a cleansing mechanism. So Sheetal has just done almost like a double disinfection of the scalp. She did a biotin in alcohol, and then she used something called scalp peeling to further degrease and remove excess debris from the scalp. And then now we're going to use this cool little device. It's actually a massaging device, so it stimulates the scalp, like stimulates blood flow, but it also has LED, so blue and red light. And this little thing in the middle has these teeny needles, and at the end of the teeny needles is this peptide formula. So this is specifically made for stimulating hair, and it's a really cool, easy treatment. And in South Africa, it actually helped us out quite a bit because we have our LED devices that plug into the wall, but at the moment we're having load shedding. So it's a great alternative, and a lot of people use this at home. You can use this at home to stimulate hair growth if you're also having treatments in clinic. While Sheetal's busy there, we're going to do a blood draw for the PRF. Remember, PRF doesn't spin for very long, for 5 minute time. So when Sheetal is busy with that, and when she's done with that, it should already be done, and then we're ready to stamp in the PRF and get to the more relaxing part of the treatment. So yeah, it's just superheated gas, and then it creates ozone at the end of the device, but it's really cool for stimulating blood flow. There's other different hand pieces you can attach, and it's cool for acne as well, like active acne. So currently Sheetal is using a stamp. You get these stamps, you get stamps like this which are adjustable. You can use it for your hair and face. Like I said, we use sometimes something called a Vital injector, which is a mesotherapy injector with needles for hair rejuvenation, manually injecting it in, or sometimes even microneedling it in. So as long as there's some stimulation, like controlled wound creation with the stamp, and something that you are infusing, either PRP, PRF, or a peptide formula made for hair growth. Alright, so Sheetal is complete with all the needling type treatments, and now she's doing a scalp massage with our hair elixir. This is a growth promoting, I suppose, serum you could call it, and the scalp massage is a further way of stimulating blood flow to the area. After this, we're going to do a hydrogel mask, and it'll go up to Jason's hairline. So yeah, and then for his face, and then we're going to put on the LED, and that's our treatment.
Just pause so it doesn't run out. You don't really need to catch. I mean, no problems at all. And then I'm just going to cover your eyelids as well. But it's just going to be usually on top. For that.
And how long is that LED?
This needs to set up at least 7 to 10 minutes, so you'll be okay like at least 7 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
Thanks for joining us once again on one of our treatment videos, and thanks to Jason as well for being our patient and being willing to share his experience. It's really nice to do some combination treatments, especially if you're short on time, so that you can treat your hair and your skin. And he was asking a couple of questions in terms of, you know, would he be able to go to gym tomorrow? Would you be able to go out? Is it fine to go to work? And it's really cool that you can do 2 treatments at once. It's a time saving, and both treatments allow you to carry on with your normal life almost immediately. There is absolutely no downtime on a superficial chemical peel, as well as this type of hair rejuvenation. And if you guys have any questions about the treatments that were performed today, drop them down in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.